Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers, my sisters, time is of essence. In Islam, we have 5 daily prayers: Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. If you notice, there is a beginning time and an ending time for every one of those prayers. The reason is clear. Allah Almighty wants us to do it that way, and He wants us to learn lesson from it. He wants us to discipline our lives. He wants us to start the day and end the day in a certain way. He wants us to benefit from the rich wisdom that He has. Some of it we may know, some of it we may not know. From having those prayers at specific times. If you are a little bit early, it's not going to be valid. And if you're a little bit late, it's not going to be valid. One of the things we as Muslims should be learning from this is, even in our day-to-day lives, we must ensure that we do whatever we are doing timeously. Many times you have people, including myself, and that's why I'm smiling. Sometimes, should I say, we actually do not stick to the time. So we'll tell someone 9 o'clock, it's 9:15, 9:30, they're still looking for us, we're looking for them. What did you learn from your salah? May Allah Almighty grant us ease. And I can tell you my experience is, those who establish their prayer upon its time are never late for anything else. Unless, obviously, something is beyond their capacity or they're unwell, etc. So it's important for us to learn that lesson. You want to be on time for things? Just learn to do your prayer on time. This advice is for me before every one of you, but at the same time, it's valid advice. May Allah Almighty help me to be on time for everything, and help all of us to be on time for everything. It is unfortunate that people say when Muslims give you a time, 9 o'clock, they'll only pitch up at 9:15, 9:30. I don't think that's true. But if it is in your case, please make a difference, because Allah Almighty wants us to do things timeously. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.